Sorry. Are you ready? I lost track of time, but what are you gonna do? Hey everybody, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a great 2020 so far. As promised, we're back with episode 2 of Office Rehab, and this time I'm gonna take you along as I build that audio booth over there. And I'm a pretty princess, and I like to wear a crown. And so, let's go. So the goal is going to be to get all of this up here. I have a feeling these are going to get covered in dog hair. And all the foam is in. Now time for a boom arm. That's how you like it, but you just don't get it. Finishing touches. And so that's it. Sound booth installed. This is my first official voiceover on the new sound audio setup. Please tell me what you think and subscribe to Audible for 1 free book a month. Just kidding, don't do that. Alright, well that's it for this episode of Office Rehab. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, show me some love, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You know how this shit works. And until next time, see ya!